Hello, you wonderful humans. Welcome back to another video. Today, it is just me, and I'm going to walk you through how you can increase your engagement, especially your comments and DMs on Instagram using one of the best automation tools out there right now, Manychat. And now it's easier to use than ever. Let's dive in. Now, if you've been watching the channel in the last few years, you'll see that we've been talking about Manychat for a long time now. It has been legitimately incredible for us and for our clients. For high seasons Instagram alone, it increased our comments by 160%, and it got our freebies, videos, and paid products directly in the inbox of our target audience. So for those who don't know what Manychat is and how you can easily leverage it for your business or your account, I'm just going to briefly go through it just in case. But if you've ever heard of Instagram automation, you should already be familiar with the general principles of what Manychat can do. Manychat is essentially Instagram automation software that allows you to simplify your engagement by creating keywords that you ask your audience to comment in order to access an offer. The most common way to use Manychat is to post a reel or carousel, and either in the content or in the caption or both, you say something like comment the word free to get a coupon code in your DMs. So whenever someone comments your keyword, it triggers Manychat to respond with a custom comment that you already set up in the backend yourself, which immediately doubles your engagement from 1 comment to 2. It then automatically sends a custom DM that you also set up in the backend to the person who commented. Now, it can be a straightforward message with a button that would say something like tap here for the code, or if you're more of a power user, you can set up a sequence of messages with multiple options. Another huge benefit of Manychat is that getting into the DMs of the person who commented helps your account in the algorithm, which we broke down in this video. Head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, talked about it a while back, where he laid out the importance of the DMs to the algorithm. Once you're in someone's DMs, they'll start seeing both your stories and in-feed content more, as the algorithm believes you have a relationship. The more DMs that you can get into, the more people will have a tie to your account, and that's just over and above the benefits I mentioned with directly sharing your offer with your audience. Now, with all that said, you might have thought that Manychat was going to be intimidating, but let me show you how easy it is now. And to be honest, with this new quick automation feature, it's seriously easier than ever. So we're going to bring up Manychat here on the screen. Okay, first, navigate to your account at manychat.com and log in. Now, if you haven't created an account as yet, hit the link in the description and sign up. You'll not only get your free Manychat account, but thanks to Manychat for partnering with us on this video, you'll get a full month of their pro plan for free. Now, even if you end up going with their free plan in the end, you can at least trial the pro features and see if there's something that you need for your business. Now, if you're looking at the screen here, on the left navigation, you're going to hit the third one down. I don't know what that is, like a little DNA type of thing. And that's the automation. And then you're going to go to the top right here in this little blue button and hit new automation. So this brings up a whole bunch of templates, which make this whole process so much easier. So the first option that comes up here is the auto DM links from comments. You see it's got that nice orange popular sign there. So what we're going to do is hit that. So this, if you can see down the bottom of this little box here, it says quick automation. This is what we're talking about, and this is what makes it so easy. So you hit on that, and then it's going to take you to this cool screen where you can now see exactly what it's going to look like on the phone as you put your automation together. So this is huge, especially for those who find this sort of thing a little intimidating. And to be fair, Manychat is actually incredibly intuitive and easy to use anyway, but this takes it to a whole new level. When Tiff showed me this, I was mind blown. I couldn't believe how cool this is and how much it simplifies the process. So what they've done here is divided this process into 3 very simple sections, which you can see just underneath the iPhone here. You can see we've got post, comments, and DM. Now, if you have the pro plan, you're going to see all these 3 options available to you on the left. If you've got the free plan, you're going to be able to just choose the first one. So it could be a specific post or reel, which is this first one, and that's the one that's only available on the free plan. So you can actually choose which post the Manychat automation is going to apply to. Alternatively, on the pro plan, you could also go any post or reel. This is pretty cool because this one allows you to keep a keyword trigger that you've set up, and it'll work on any post that you make from in the past or in the future. So any keyword that you set up, you can just put it in a comment or a caption or anything in the future. You don't even have to worry about resetting it up in Manychat, which is super cool. And then you can also select the next post or reel, which is pretty handy if you want to have this set up before you actually do your post. So let's select any post or reel, and you'll see on the iPhone screen here, of course, says your automation will work for any post or reel, which is very cool. So next we're going to set up the keyword. So we're going to hit next here, and this is where you put your keyword. So it's a specific word or word. So just for the sake of this, we're just going to put offers with an S, because we've probably got offers set up in this back end of the high season one here. You can also put any word. I don't know if that's really necessary. We definitely would stick with just a specific word. It makes it a lot simpler. And then you hit next. Then we'll set up an opening DM where they need to tap a button that will send them the link. So you can go ahead and type up your opening DM copy, which they actually give you a nice little generic piece of content here that you can sort of, if you're not sure what to do, you can at least run with that, make your own little tweaks to it, which is very cool. And as you can see on the right hand side on the phone here, it's already populated and you can see exactly what that's going to look like. You also want to put what the button is going to be. So send me the link. We typically would run with send me the link just because keep it simple, but you can put send me the offer or shoot it over or something kind of quirky if it fits with your brand. Then you've got the DM with the link. So the first DM actually explains what's going on and what they need to do. Tapping that link now sends a follow-up DM that's going to actually provide the link. So you're going to want to put the DM with the link in here. So you can put something like, here's the offer. You can put a link, highseasonco.com/shop, and you can go get the offer. Boom. And you hit next. You can see that all on the iPhone presenting exactly. You can see the real-time changes that I made. Obviously, you're going to want to make it a little more engaging than this. This is just a quick example to show you how simple this is. Now, the next step is setting up the comments. So there actually are 4 buttons here for quick automations, which is so cool. It makes it so easy. I can't express how easy this is. Now, the first button allows you to type in the custom comment responses that I mentioned earlier once someone in your audience comments the keyword, which was offers here. So they're going to type offers on your post, and then these are one of 3 different comment options that are going to randomly be selected and presented to that person. They've already put some quick examples in here, like, thanks, please check your DMs. Message sent, check it out, whatever, something like that. Once again, keep it in your brand voice, make it authentic to you, and use emojis as well, makes it a bit more interesting. Super easy. Next is a DM follow-up automation in case they didn't go ahead and tap the link, which is a really nice reminder because all of us have busy lives and maybe they might not have gotten to it right away. So you can go here, turn that on, and you can customize that DM follow-up. And once again, on the phone, you're gonna see what that looks like immediately, and it's gonna keep the button the same, the get the offer, whatever it is, and it's gonna link it out to the same thing. Now, if you're looking to grow your followers, you can actually select this next option, which requires that they follow you before receiving the offer. And this is something that's proven to be quite effective. Once again, on the phone, you're going to see what that looks like here. Now, you can customize this message as always, and you can just say, hey, this is something like this says here, this link is especially for my followers. Right after you follow me, I'll send you the link so you can dive right in. Very cool, very straightforward. If you're looking to grow, and that's something that people ask us literally a handful of times per day, I would suggest to give this one a try and see if you're able to, entice people to follow you before getting the offer, particularly if it's a freebie. And then finally, you can add a request for an email address to add them to your mailing list and keep them in the loop with all of your offers and launches outside of social. And once again, this is displayed on the phone on the right where it's like, you got it before sharing the link, I'd love to get your email address. You can customize this message as always. And this is a great way to also start building your email list. So automatically, if you just look at what this has done, this has allowed you to set up the keyword on any post. You are able to create these custom comment responses that are in your brand voice, that are engaging, that turns up your engagement immediately. You can do the follow-up DM automation, which beforehand, I think you had to set it up separately. So it's so easy. You can then also get that follow or the email as well. I would suggest to probably pick one or the other, just because it might start to become a little bit much. If you're like, hey, follow me, hey, give me your email, like it's a lot for people to do. So the final step is to hit go live, which is up in the top right corner here. and you're all set. So that was Manychat's quick automation feature. It literally doesn't get any easier, and it's the perfect way for businesses and creators to get started with automation, grow your audience, get more leads, and of course, get more sales. So thanks again to our good friends at Manychat for partnering with us on this video. Do not forget to hit the link in the description to get your free month of their awesome pro plan and get your automation game strong. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.